So I know you all have seen this and are purchasing this. Thank you very much. This is Tidal Wave, my #1 selling product at shop.thesalonguy.com in my brand. It's a volumizing sea salt spray. So what I've done, and this is absolutely crazy, is I decided to make improvements on my #1 selling product. You're probably going, what do you, like what? As a hairstylist, as someone who's been working with hair for over 25 to 30 years now, I'm always looking to improve. And I said, I want Tidal Wave to be even better than it has been. So, in this video, and I know the results, I've already tested this for months and months and months. I know what this is gonna do, but I'm going to blow dry this mannequin right here, and I'm going to get the biggest volume I've ever gotten just with using my hand, right, as a styling tool. Also, I'm gonna be using my blow dryer, which is available at shop.thesalonguy.com. And yes, for all of you that are wondering, I have a 30% Black Friday deal coming up that's going from Black Friday all the way to Cyber Monday. The discount will be automatically applied. And if you want the free shipping, the order value has to be over $50 with the discount code. This is the blow dryer right here. What's great is that the handle swivels, and I now have magnetic attachments here, so it snaps on and it's ready to go. So let's spray some of this. This is the new updated formula in Tidal Wave, and I'm telling you, this is gonna be amazing. So let's spray some product in the hair. You don't need a whole lot. I like to go about, I'd say, I don't know, anywhere between 5 to 10 spritzes. I wanna make sure that I'm getting it in the root area here. And there you go. So let the blow drying begin. Well, that was all done real time, and look at it's insane. Look at this volume. That's literally just by using my fingers, the blow dryer, and Tidal Wave. And now, how does it feel? It feels just full of life. It feels like you could just mold the hair into place, which is really, really great. And it really sets up the hair nicely for styling. I didn't do really anything back here. I just figured let's just do the front here. But, oh man, so Tidal Wave now has pretty much the same ingredients. We tweaked some of the levels of some things, enhanced the fragrance to make it smell more like paradise, more like that beachy kind of fragrance. For as good as Tidal Wave did smell originally, I felt that there was some aspects to it that need to be enhanced, removed, tweaked, and that's what we've done. So the smell is just so pure and even more natural, and I'm telling you, it's really an incredible upgrade that we've done. And look at this volume. What's also pretty shocking is that since I've been testing this new formula of Tidal Wave, which is now pretty much shipping out, no, don't get me wrong, the original Tidal Wave is still, it's why it's our #1 selling product. So if you have it, don't worry, it's still incredible. But this new one is for we haven't redone the travel sizes yet, we're still working on that. But this is for the full size, the 8 ounce. And I am telling you, I've made some really interesting discoveries on this. Now, there's a few other things you need to know about what's going on with this. So there's been a worldwide shortage thanks to COVID-19 and people being out of work, no one in a factory, no one, a shortage of staffing, ingredients, parts, all sorts of stuff. It's been really a nightmare. And the bottles, right? These bottles were supposed to be done like almost 2.5 months ago. And we would have had thousands and thousands of units ready to go. And unfortunately, we had sold out. And the bottle company gave us word that it's gonna be another like month till we get these. We're going into December to get these bottles. And I said, this is just ridiculous. We've gotten hundreds and hundreds of orders from people. Where's, what's going on? And we've been trying to communicate with you all to let you know, like, hey, this is what's happening. We're at the mercy of the bottle company, unfortunately. So what we've done is we made a temporary solution to put Tidal Wave into a different bottle. It's still 8 ounce. We actually poured more product, more than 8 ounces of product in it. So it's actually a little more than 8 ounces, but we're using a temporary bottle, and we had to use a labeling, we put a label on the bottle instead of having this screen printed. So the packaging temporarily is not what this is going to be, but we just had to get these out because there's so many orders and it's just getting out of control. So I took it upon myself to make that temporary solution. It's still, this is the product right here. It's still, you're getting that amazing Tidal Wave, and these are the results. So also what I've learned is if your hair is dry, right? Your hair is dry, maybe it's a little on the shorter side or hair like this, and you want to have something like, your hair's a little bit oily, okay? It's a little bit dirty, and you're like, you know what? I feel like my hair's getting too greasy, a little oily. In dry hair, spray some Tidal Wave in to dry hair, okay? And just work it through. It's gonna soak up those oils. Now, what I've experienced is that when you spray this into dry hair, see what's happening? It's, as I'm running it through, it's already absorbing into the hair really, really nicely. And I'm feeling that like sea salt texture. And what happens is, and this is crazy, is that it turns almost into, this is after it fully dries. You see how I'm still working it in, and look how much it's absorbing into the hair. It turns almost into like, look at that, my talc product, like a powder, which is insane. This is why I wanted to make these upgrades. I cannot believe what this has done, okay? And I was just mind blown. So if you spray it onto your hands even, you work it through, you've got short hair, you wanna have like that kind of light texture in the hair, use this even when it's on the drier side, right? When the product kind of fully dries out, spray it into your hands. Even if you don't have it in your hair, spray it onto your hands like this, right? 1 spritz, even 2 spritzes. Work it through, get that kind of Tidal Wave type of feel, right? That sandy, beachy kind of feel, and work it through dry hair, right? Or spray it in like this, right? And then really, really just work it through, and it's gonna turn your hair. I mean, look at that. Is that crazy? That's not even like, you would think anything that's water, right? That's water-based would just completely collapse the style. No, this is literally, I should patent this. This is a revolutionary update and upgrade to our #1 selling product, and I just cannot believe what this is doing. I mean, I'm a hairstylist, right? For many, many years, I've never seen any product do this. I mean, look at that. That's from spraying a water-based product onto dry hair, and you're getting more volume. I'm so sorry, but I'm just so like passionate about this. I'm so excited about this. I took a huge risk. It's like with like say Apple, for example, or like they make new phones, new laptops, new things all the time. You would think, oh, it's so great. How can it get better? Well, it's the same thing with this. I want to continuously update, upgrade. That's why I'm coming out with, the blow dryers, my brushes, everything I'm trying to do. It's all based off of me being a hairstylist. That's what's important. That's what's key. It's what's behind the brand. Me being a stylist, and I've worked on thousands upon thousands of customers, models, people throughout the years. I understand and I know what I want products to do, okay? So that's why I'm so passionate about this, and I'm really excited about it. So let me know what you think. Again, if you have the original Tidal Wave, it's still incredible. It was our #1 selling product. These updates, these upgrades are gonna take it one step even further. It's not in the travel 2 ounce yet. That's the original formula, which is still great. But I'm telling you, smells like heaven. It's so fresh. And yeah, so please let me know in the comments below what you think about this. And if you're purchasing one, if you have purchased one already, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.